Hey everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtech video. This time I'm gonna show you how to delete photos from your iPhone iCloud storage. This is a common question, and understanding the distinction between local storage and iCloud storage on your iPhone is crucial. So you might have photos stored locally on your device and others are stored on iCloud, and it's important to manage both effectively. First, let's focus on iCloud since it's integrated directly with your iPhone. When you open the Photos app on your device, you might notice that it's not clear which photos are stored locally and which are on iCloud. The Photos app integrates everything seamlessly, making it hard to distinguish. There are subtle hints though, like photos taking a moment to load, indicating that they are stored on iCloud and require internet connection to view, but it's not that clear. To start managing your photos more effectively, you should turn off iCloud Sync. This helps you differentiate between local and iCloud photos. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on your name at the top to access the Apple ID section, and then navigate to iCloud and select Photos. Here you can turn off synchronization. Disabling this option will remove and disconnect your iPhone from the iCloud, leaving only the local photos. It doesn't delete anything permanently, but helps you understand which photos are stored where. However, personally, I think that the best way to manage your iCloud photos directly is to use the iCloud website. Open Safari on your iPhone or computer and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and then navigate to the Photos section. Here you can see all the photos stored in iCloud. This method is very straightforward and ensures that you're only dealing with the iCloud photos. You can browse, select, and delete photos directly on the website, giving you full control over your iCloud storage. This approach is very useful because it provides clarity. When you manage your photos through iCloud's website, you know exactly which photos are stored on the cloud because these are the only ones that show up there. This eliminates confusion and helps you efficiently manage your iPhone storage and generally your photos. So thank you for watching. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I will catch you in the future.